Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting showdown between two electric razors that will revolutionize your shaving experience. On the left, we have the Braun Series 770/20s Flex Electric Razor, and on the right, the Wyklaus Head Shaver 7D Upgrade. Get ready for some epic comparisons, hilarious jokes, and of course, our honest opinions. Let's dive in. Let's start with the price tag, shall we? The Braun Series 770/20s Flex Electric Razor comes in at a cool $129, while the Wyklaus Head Shaver 7D Upgrade is a steal at just $73. Now that's a significant difference, but is the higher price worth it? Let's find out. When it comes to design, both razors have their own unique features. The Braun Series 770/20s Flex Electric Razor boasts a 360-degree adaptation for a smooth shave, even in those tricky areas. Plus, it has an AutoSense technology that adapts power to your beard density. Impressive, right? On the other hand, the Wyklaus Head Shaver 7D Upgrade takes design to a whole new level with its 7D floating shaving head. Not only does it increase the shaving area, but it also saves you precious shaving time. And let's not forget the non-slip handle for easy gripping, perfect for all you bald heads out there. Now let's talk performance. The Braun Series 770/20s Flex Electric Razor has a Li-ion battery that can last up to 3 weeks of shaving, with just a 5-minute quick charge for a full shave. And did I mention it's 100% waterproof for both wet and dry use? Talk about versatility. Meanwhile, the Wyklaus Head Shaver 7D Upgrade features double blades and a double protective net for precise and safe shaving. It even has an intelligent induction system to prevent hair pinching. Plus, the LED intelligent display shows the battery percentage and reminds you to give it a good wash. It's like having a personal shaving assistant. Let's not forget about those extra features that can make all the difference. The Braun Series 770/20s Flex Electric Razor comes with a precision trimmer attachment, perfect for shaping your beard or sideburns. It's like having a mini grooming salon in your hands. On the other hand, the Wyklaus Head Shaver 7D Upgrade is a 5-in-1 professional grooming kit. It includes a head shaver, hair trimmer, nose hair trimmer, cleansing brush, sideburn trimmer, and even different hair trimmer combs. It's like a Swiss Army knife for your grooming needs. The Braun Series 770/20s Flex Electric Razor and the Wyklaus Head Shaver 7D Upgrade have battled it out in our arena. Both have their strengths and unique features, but ultimately, the choice is yours. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more epic comparisons and honest reviews. And as always, stay smart and buy smart. Until next time.